I'm cutting through the fucking jungle. I had dinner at this place somewhere down here last night, and I don't feel like walking around this whole island. It's hot as balls. And just so you all know, there is an overwhelming stench of septic here. This place just smells like ass in a super not okie dokie way. You'll just be walking around and it'll hit you like a fucking Mack truck. I hope they don't have fucking snakes here. Oh, that's funny as hell. Oy, oy. Actually, for fucking being in the middle of the human ass shit, not too terribly hot. Now it is. Oh my god, this is fucking gross. I don't know what the hell's out here. This video gets posted, it means I didn't die. Serial killer just put a fucking sign up by the beach saying bar this way to lure in people. Fuck. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow. This is trippy as shit, though. Watch. I don't even know what the hell. They used to be sandbags. Fuck. Aye. Oh, this is safe. Good fucking. If you think it's a good idea to get drunk and walk around down here, it ain't. Okay. Oh, fuck. Oy. Okay, there's water up there. Fucking swamp all over. It doesn't stink, it's shady. It's comfortable here. I mean, it's hot as fucking balls, but I can go get a boat ride back to the hotel. The hotel. Dear God. Fuck. Well, there's the water, so I'm somewhere. I just have no fucking clue where. Huh, cool coconut tree. Fucking trippy and creepy. Holy Christ, look at that monster. Where the fuck am I? I don't know what the fuck this... Wow, look at the size of that beast. Dios mío. Fuck. Oh, this sucks. I think I got to a beach of nowhere. Please be a path. Please be a path somewhere. Something. Anything. Okay, nice hangout spot. Oh, this is fucking pretty. Look at this beach. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna stop this. I'll get another.